So here we're given that Peter has a large and a small jug. The large jug holds 500 milliliters more than the small jug, and the large jug can fill 5 glasses with 95 milliliters left over. The small jug can fill 3 glasses with 25 milliliters left over. What is the capacity of a large jug? Okay, so this looks like there's a lot going on. The simplest thing we can do is to make the small jug have a capacity of X milliliters. And now we're told here that the large jug holds 500 milliliters more. So now we know the large jug will be equal to a small jug plus 500. And then we're told that the large jug can fill 5 glasses with 95 milliliters left over. But we know that this is the capacity of a large jug. So X plus 500 can equal 5 glasses plus 95 more milliliters. So if we say that G is equal to the number of glasses, then we can say this is 5G plus 95. And the small jug can fill 3 glasses with 25 milliliters left over. And we know the small jug is X. So X will equal 3 glasses, 3G, plus 25. Okay, so at this point, we need to think about what we're being asked. What is the capacity of a large jug? Well, to work this out, we need to work out X. Once we've worked out X, we can put it back into here and add 500 to it. The problem we have is that we've got two equations with two unknowns. Well, we can make one equation with one unknown if we substitute this expression for X, because then can you see we have one equation all in terms of G. So if we say this X, 3G plus 25 plus the 500 will equal 5G plus 95. Well, we can solve this equation by collecting these two constants together. So 3G plus 525 will equal 5G plus 95. And now we can move these positive 3Gs to the other side by taking that away from both. Now we've got, these will cancel, and we have 525 will equal 2G plus 95. And then we can move this positive 95 to the other side. We'll take it away from both. These will cancel. So 2G will equal 430. We'll divide both sides by 2. So G will be 215. So now we've got the capacity of a glass. We can substitute this value of G back into this equation. So therefore, X will equal 3 lots of G plus 25. We can work this out on our calculators, and X is 670 milliliters. So finally, the capacity of a larger jug, well, we'll substitute this value of X into here. So the large jug will be 670 plus the 500, which gives us 1,170 milliliters. Or we could have said 1.17 liters. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from our website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again and take care.